New Line Cinema movie, along with Michael Bay also produces this film, and along with Radio Pictures, Next Entertainment, Platinum Dunes. I believe Focus Features is at the end of this film, so I might do the closing for this soon. Please note this is a special edition. And this is one of the last movies to use an Allo Time Warner Company for the Warner Brothers and New Line Cinema film before it was rebranded to Time Warner in 2003. I believe they was going to originally use the shortened caption, but that didn't work at all for that, so they decided to have it changed. Let me know if you want me to do this closing, guys. And plus, this is muted, so I didn't really mute it, so that was like New Line's idea, so yeah, the first DVD release to have the Time Warner Company for New Line Cinema, New Line Home Entertainment, I meant. Yeah, it was supposed to be an Allo Time Warner Company, but it was changed to Time Warner Company by that time that movie came out.